This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about hairnets and covers, specifically these clean tech hairnets and covers. And we have several products to show you. The first is the 16-inch white plastic arm sleeves. We also have a 21-inch black disposable bouffant cap or hairnet. We have the 19-inch white beard cover, which you can see is great for covering facial hair. And we also have our wonderful black shoe covers that have a non-skid bottom to them. And finally, we have the 42 by 27.5-inch white plastic disposable apron, which you can see in the back. The hairnets and beard covers are available in both black and white. And all of these products are designed to keep your employees protected while enhancing your food safety while working. The sleeve covers are plastic and they feature elastic at both ends so that they're easy for your employees to just slip on and get to work. They're lightweight as well, which is fantastic. And they're going to keep your forearms protected, especially from things like water, cleaning products, and other liquids. These are recyclable as well, which is also a great feature of this product. The hairnets and beard covers are all a really nice, fine woven mesh. And they feature wonderful elastic loops. They're going to allow them to be put on easily by your employees to really cover their hair and to fit nice and securely, right? That elastic is going to help keep them in place and keep them secure while they're working. They're also incredibly lightweight, so they're not going to hinder their work in any way, which is fantastic. The booties feature a nice non-slip tread on the bottom, which is a wonderful safety feature. And they also have a nice elastic band on top, so they should easily slip over shoes of a variety of sizes, allowing your employees to get them on quickly and work easily and safely. The aprons are a nice lightweight plastic. They feature a wonderful large opening at the top, making them easy to get over your head. And in addition to their nice width and length, they've got lovely ties on each side, meaning that you can use them for all of your employees, and they're kind of a one-size-fits-all, which is fantastic. You don't have to buy multiple sizes of aprons. The aprons are a lightweight protective plastic, and they have those wonderful ties, so they're going to fit a variety of employees. The elastic bands and ties on these products are going to give you a wonderful, secure fit. All of them are lightweight, so they're easy to wear, especially for long shifts, and they're not going to hinder movements. So these are the perfect protective supplies for any food establishment, and they're going to suit a variety of your needs, no matter what they are. So you've got some great hair and beard nets, shoe covers, arm covers, and also some fantastic protective aprons.